So we rented this little place here north of Jenner, California. It's a little place to come and hang out with my wife and 2 kids. 2 of the kids anyway. And it's a pretty nice little place. Spent a couple of nights here. Let's see, here's some of the view out of the place. That's out of the dining room area. You walk down these little stairs here into the front room area. This is pretty cool. And here's the view out of the front room. It's a very nice little cliffside dwelling. Nice little kitchen. It's got glass everywhere in here, so I mean, like the skylights and stuff there. Let's see. We'll go this way. It's like a bath and a half, laundry room. So there's bathroom and stuff in there. Full bath here. Yep. Let's take a walk of wood ceilings into place. Then you go up these little stairs here. A little nook and a little room here, double bunks in it. Pretty cool. Like I said, there's ceilings are cool. Double bunk. We'll walk around here. Here's the master. Of course, the bed's dirty because that's how they want you to leave it when you're leaving. Here's the view out of the master. Big open window here so you can see everything you want to see out there in the Pacific. Beautiful, beautiful view to wake up to. And right off the edge of that cliff there's a bunch of sea lions that like to hang out. But anyway, it's a sizable little master. And then if the kids just want to disappear, there's a little loft up here. A little TV in it. Couch or whatever. Or if mom and dad's just want to come up here and chillax and get away even more. And you got a view also out of this loft out of the Pacific. So very, very cool little cliffside house here. So we enjoyed it quite thoroughly. It was very peaceful, quiet. Got some great pictures and imagery, and got to check out the little sea lions and whatnot. So, and the birds. There's falcons and you name it, your regular seagoing birds. But we'll say goodbye to the place for now. All right, we're out to the next place on the tour. All right.